Now let me wear these pants to go to the party.
Hey, sister, where are you going?
Oh, I am not going anywhere, sister. I am going to the party in a bus.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, your stomach is torn.
Oh, no problem. I will wear another pant over these pants, but I am looking fat in these.
Hey, sister, you don't need to do all this. I have a magical slim-looking dress. Wear it and become slim. Wait, I will bring it in 2 minutes.
Hey, but wait, this is gone. Is there really a magical trust that makes one slim? Because I don't think so.
Here you go, sister. I have brought a magical trust for you. Now wear it quickly.
But will I really become slim after wearing this?
Hey, don't think too much, sister. I have also become slim after wearing this. Wear it quickly.
So, okay. I will take off my clothes and wear this magical dress. So first of all, I will take off this tummy and wear this shirt. By the way, gays, what do you think, I will become slim or not? But before seeing me,
If you truly love your mother, then like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment, I love you, mom. And if you don't do this, then I will assume that you don't love your mother.
so let me wear this pant properly and these shoes too. Oh my god, I have really become slim. Wow, it was fun. Now I will enjoy you a lot in the party.